So we're working on the basement demolition project. Put a little more diesel on this stuff, make sure it burns. Before it spills all over me. Alright, here we go. Oh man. I'm gonna try and lay this paper down here yet. It's going. There we go. Now, it's not a bonfire if you don't have beer. Here's to a bonfire. There's some serious heat on this thing. It sure beats paying to dump it, right?
Yeah.
Hey, why don't you stand in close to that for the effect? We can get an idea how big the flames are. Keep going. You can get a little closer. There you go. Look at that. Whew. Man, that sucker's hot. I'm like 15 feet away and it's burning my face. This is definitely the kind of bonfire to drink beer by. And here we are with round 2.